We're gonna talk about DXY, then we're gonna move into the crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then we're gonna talk about ES and Nasdaq. Now, first of all, I want to thank everybody that took that time yesterday and actually read the email that I sent it to everybody with trade breakdowns and explanations. I've been talking about the trades which I have taken last week and I have shared into the Head Traders HQ. It's been trades on EURUSD, Bitcoin, ES, just destroying the game. If you want to join, hop on the website, it's gonna be in the bio, press on Head Traders HQ. If you only can join, I share my personal portfolio on spot. I share my personal trades. Every single day there's market updates, low time frame, medium time frame, crypto, Forex. I am running 5 assets around the clock. Today we're gonna be talking about the DXY and the Euro. Now let's talk about the DXY. Last Wednesday we were hovering around these levels right here, and I told you guys, we're back testing these distribution lows and we're gonna have a move back down. What happened, guys? You can check the update what I told you exactly. Distribution lows, move back down, back test, move back down, and another move down. What did we reject all the time? Simply, all the time, take things simple. Golden pocket rejection, high, low, golden pocket. Then high, low, golden pocket. High, low, golden pocket. And it just continues to play out that way. And then even this parallel channel came into play. You had the move back down, you had a partial rise, you had a move back, back tested the parallel channel, move back. Simple things, guys. Why is everybody complicating their shit? Like everybody talking about breakers, all the block, blah blah blah. Stop it. Take things simple. Simple things work. This is another example. Now what's next for the DXY? Generally, if you check the last technical Wednesday, I spoke about this being a potential deviation of this whole range, and it's gonna be confirmed. We did a swing failure pattern for the DXY. I'm looking for a potential move up and potentially forming left shoulder, head, right shoulder, move back down. That's what I'm looking for the DXY. How it's gonna play out, I'm generally gonna connect the last Friday high and the current low. I'm gonna be looking for the rejection to come around this place or maybe a bit higher, but we're gonna see how this goes. I don't like predicting the market, but I do like to have an idea of the next moves. We do have an active swing failure pattern, and generally strategically speaking, I'm looking for this to have a bit of a move up. Let's talk about the Euro. I have marked out the Monday low, marked on the charts, Monday low, liquidity, and do the same for yesterday's low. Why am I telling you to mark out these two lows? You have swept this high, not once but twice, and you're forming these impulsive lows without any of them being swept. You have these lows right here from Monday, you have the previous day low which coming in here, you have an imbalance right here. Mark out this low right here because you've already swept this one. These are the liquidity levels which I'm looking forward to. The golden pocket is coming pretty much right on the Monday low. We can be looking forward for a swing failure pattern of Monday low and just trading a swing failure pattern on that one. But on EURUSD, I think we're gonna see the inverted thing that we see on DXY. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break this to the upside and move up. This is purely speculation, guys. None of my trades are financial advices. This is the trade that I have at the moment. We do have news coming in. You still have an invalidation, you still have a stop loss coming in place. It is wide enough not to get slipped up, so 25 pips I don't expect myself to get slipped up, even though it's kind of important data coming out. I do expect this thing to break to the downside, but even if it breaks, generally come into this imbalance area and then potentially have a move up. Of course, the inverted scenario just price doing something like this. Is it possible? Should be willing to take the risk. These are my thoughts about EURUSD. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. We did come back and we did took that out. And currently we have this triangle and we do have this thing potentially breaking down with a back test and potentially moving back down to this area. Yes, absolutely it's possible. If you connect this low and this high, you have the golden pocket coming in here, and the actual monthly low on Coinbase is this one right here. And it is still not taken out. So I would be interested if we do a swing failure pattern of this low. I'm generally interested in taking a long position with the idea of coming above the Sunday high. Why do I like the Sunday high? Let me show you. If you connect these highs, you can clearly see the delta difference. It's very obvious, and that's one of the reasons why I was short on Sunday, and we did have a very nice drop coming in. Similar thing happened yesterday, these drops right here. Moving back into the Coinbase chart, I don't want to go into too many details on the order flow right now. I've spoken about this into the Discord. If you haven't joined, feel free to do so. We could be looking for this being a fake out and just continuing the range between this monthly and this week level. It is absolutely probable for us to do so, but you still need to leave some kind of a better low, in my opinion. Do you have to come back that low and just take it out and then have move up? It's possible. Is it the most probable scenario? You don't know yet. Wait for the data to come out, and once the data is out, I would keep everybody updated into Discord. Feel free to do so. That's it for Bitcoin. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum at the moment, range lows. And what I mean by range lows, if you view this whole section as a range, you're into the range lows, okay? You can view this in multiple ways. You can either choose this low and this high, or you can even go down to the daily level at here, because it's acting as support right now. We did take out the previous, but 2 weeks ago. So if we do reclaim the value area low, I'm generally looking towards the 0.5 of the range, and if this is reclaimed, have another move up on Ethereum. I was obviously bullish on ES and Nasdaq, and that's exactly what you got right now. ES, nice move up, back into value, and on ES generally I'm looking forward to 45.14. If we do have a pullback, I'm generally looking for compound on my long positions. I'm looking for ES to come into 45.14. All the bearish is gonna burn again on ES. You cannot be bearish on ES right now. If you're bearish, you're gonna get burnt again. Simply as that. I am sharing all the details you need to know into the Discord, so if you want to join now before I close it down for public. So thank you for watching. See you in the Discord.